This here is DisplayBase. This is a tool that you can use in your shop as a selling point for your customers. It allows you to show the differences between the different displays that you might offer. Having the DisplayBase for the customers will allow them to pick the quality of the repair that they want for their phone, so that they know what to expect when the repair is complete and they're using their phone at home. Let's open up the DisplayBase. The build quality is amazing. Inside you will find a product manual that'll go through the details, just in case you forget how to use the machine. It's pretty intuitive, so you shouldn't have to refer to this too often. Inside the box here, we have a test flex cable and the charger for the DisplayBase. We're going to be using these 3 screens that I've selected, and we also need a working iPhone X. I'm going to go ahead and take a few pictures. You can also download images that you want to use to show customers the differences. We're going to turn over to the DisplayBase and take out the 4 screws that cover up the slot where the iPhone will go. You'll see that there are some flex cables that we'll need to connect. Let's go ahead and remove the screen from our iPhone, and to not have the Face ID message pop up, let's also remove and put back the proximity sensor assembly. We'll disconnect the NFC for the volume buttons and the power button next to the cameras. We'll insert the phone and start to connect the different flex cables. The power button, the volume buttons, the digitizer and display connectors as well. Now we can connect the battery and put back the back. It does have these pads that help keep things compressed so they don't come apart. We'll put back the 4 screws with the back panel and flip it over. Here I've got an iPhone Premium refurbished screen that we'll put in the first slot. Here is our X07 Soft OLED that we'll connect. And then our AQ7 LCD for the iPhone X. We'll plug in the power cord. Here we have the on and off switch, a JTAG connector, just in case there is any software that needs to be updated in the future. We'll go ahead and turn it on and push the power button. If you ever need to charge the device, up at the top there is a port for that. We can go to one of those pictures that we took, and you can see the difference in the quality of the images. One thing you can also show your customer is the brightness. How when you change the brightness, what it'll do on the different models of screens. Especially it's noticeable in the dark, where an LCD won't get as dark as an OLED will when you dim the screen all the way down. The touch you can see is indicated by a green light at the bottom. The ones that don't have the green light won't touch. But you can alter the touch so the customer can get a sense of what's happening. Now if you have something that's not working like the screen here, probably isn't connected all the way. So I'm just going to flip this over and look at the connection here and see if it's all the way connected. And feels good. Oh, that clicked. Okay, so now we should have touch back. Let's go ahead and change the touch back to touch 1, and there we go. Touch has been restored. We have the power button, the volume up and down button. The customer can interact with this. It's pretty intuitive. And then we'll do volume up, volume down, power off. So turn it off, just like we would on an iPhone, except we need to touch the one with the green light. This really is an amazing tool to have in your shop. It definitely catches the eye, and the customer will love to interact with it to see the quality of the screens that they're going to be getting on their phone. And if you have any questions, comment them below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
Mobile Centrics is on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram.